everyone, it's James here from GoodGuitarist.com, and in today's lesson I'm going to show you an easy strumming version of All of Me by John Legend. And this song is really good to learn because it only uses basic chord shapes. It uses 5 of them, but it puts them in order so that you basically end up learning a ton of useful progressions that you can apply to other songs. The strumming pattern's really easy for this one too. It's the most common strumming pattern ever. If along the way you find that you need any extra help, I have a free ebook that covers all the basics of acoustic guitar and strumming, and that's completely free for all my subscribers. So if you haven't gotten your copy yet, I'll put a link in the corner. And with that said, let's begin the lesson with the chord shapes. We start with E minor, and that goes into a C chord, and we can leave our middle finger down for that and pivot off our middle finger into the C shape. So just try that a few times, even just silently switching to get used to it. From C, we go to G. And for that, there's no real trick to the switch. You just have to keep making it over and over again and be consistent. So for instance, placing these 2 fingers first and then these 2. From the G chord, we go to D, and we can pivot off of our ring finger. And that's our main progression. E minor, C, G, D. And with it, we can play the verse. So let's try that using downstrokes only, just so we can get used to the chord shapes and all the switching. Starting on E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, what would I do without 3, 4, G, 2, drawing me in D, you put in me out, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, no kidding, I can pin you down. So get comfortable with the switching. Now we're going to take a look at the strumming pattern. It goes like this. I'll do it slowly. 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that is the most common strumming pattern ever. I've gone over it in a few different lessons. I'll put a link in the corner to the latest one. But let's just take a moment right now to break it down. The first half is down, down, up. And I want you to go down, down, up, 3, 4. Down, down, up, 3, 4. Over and over. And then the second half goes miss, up, down, up. So we miss the strings on beat 3, and we say miss because that's a main beat and we need to feel it. So by saying it, we still get to feel that beat. We miss the strings, up, down, up. To practice it, we go 1, 2, miss, up, down, up. 1, 2, miss, up, down, up. You work on each half, and then we put it together nice and slow. 2 and 3 and 4 and down, down, up, miss, up, down, up, down, down, up, miss, up, down, up. And I find saying it out loud rhythmically really helps. And if you need any extra help, like I said, I have another lesson that covers this thing, completely. So please check that out. Otherwise, now that we have the chord progression, we have the strumming pattern, let's put that together nice and slow and play through the verse. Starting on E minor, 1, 2, 3, 4. What would I do without your smart mouth? 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, I want to take a look at the pre-chorus, which uses one more chord shape, A minor. We're going to go from A minor to G. So I recommend working on that switch. The pre-chorus goes A minor, G, D. Let's just try it, downstrokes only. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, Now we'll add the strumming pattern. We're going to play it 2 times on A minor and then once on G, once on D, and then do that all over again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All that's left is the chorus, and the chorus uses stuff that we've already learned. I think it's possible for us to just play through it with the strumming pattern right away. So let's do that nice and slow, starting on G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 of me loves all. So we're playing the strumming 2 times per shape. This is actually one of the most common strumming or chord progressions ever. To me, give my all. To you, you're my beginning, even. And here it's just like the verse. Cool, so that's every part of the song. There's a verse, a pre-chorus, and a chorus. And you can just see like the red bar down below, you can skip through the tune and you can practice each of those parts as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, all that's left to do is assemble the song. The song starts off with an intro, which is the chord progression E minor, C, G, D, 1 time. And then we play our verse, pre-chorus, chorus, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, once again, and then pre-chorus, chorus. And that's it. So as far as putting this song together, it's pretty simple. It's pretty standard pop formula. So just, you can write that down and listen to the song. That's the best way to get a roadmap in your head on how the song works. I also have a full playthrough on my Patreon page. And if you don't know, Patreon's just a place where you can help support the channel, and in exchange you get a bunch of stuff. Worksheets, full song playthroughs, I have some sheet music for certain tunes, stuff like that. So please check that out. I'll put a link down below for that. Otherwise, have a fun time practicing. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified about more lessons. My free ebook, if you haven't grabbed a copy of that. And I also have a complete beginner's course, which takes you step by step from absolute beginner to confident strummer. I'll put more information on that in the corner and below. Take care, and I'll see you soon.